If you're building a website or managing any kind of online project in 2025, having a MySQL database is essential. And the good news, creating one in Hostgator is a lot easier than most people think. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can set yours up in just a few minutes. To get started, open your browser and head over to Hostgator's website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually in the top right corner. Click it and log in with your credentials. If you're new to HostGator, you'll need to create an account first, but this walkthrough assumes you're already signed in. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, navigate to the My Account section. This area contains everything tied to your hosting, settings, billing details, and controls for your hosting environment. Next, click on Settings. This takes you to a page where you can manage the main configurations for your hosting plan. Look for the option labeled Advanced and select it. This opens up a more detailed settings area with access to different tools and features. Now we'll move into the database setup. Locate the section or tab called Databases and click on it. Here's where you manage anything related to your MySQL databases. Inside this section, you should see a Manage button. Go ahead and click that to view existing databases and any available options. To create a new one, find the Add Database button. Once you click it, HostGator will ask you to name your database. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for the project it's connected to. Something simple and recognizable will help you keep things organized later. And that's it. You've officially created a MySQL database in HostGator. This setup forms the foundation for storing and managing data in your web applications, whether you're building something small or running something more complex. Knowing how to do this yourself gives you more control and confidence over your site's backend. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like and stick around for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.